Hey everybody, welcome to Super Easy Forex. I know it's a Friday, and so therefore not much is happening pretty much today, except for some good moves did happen. I sent this out to our group, and this is one of our strategies that we use. It's called the Stairmaster, and as you can see, we up a quick 40-something pips on this one. This is the Euro NZD. If you check your charts, today is the last day of the month, May 31st. 5/31/2019. It is currently 11:03 a.m. Central Time on a Friday. So just check your charts. This is 4-hour charts, but this is a Stairmaster. You can clearly see our entry was real clean and smooth for easy money. This was just like candy. Just giveaway candy on a Friday. Normally I don't trade on Fridays, but hey, it was giveaway candy. Here's another one that we were in that I sent out to the group. Another one, you can see the clear entry. But you can see the original entry was up here, and you can see why, triple arrows, and you'll understand the strategy that we used. But again, I re-entered again, and now I'm currently up on this one, about 161 pips on this one. And then there's another one that been recording this one for quite some time now. Okay, this one here. Let me go to the daily. You'll see this one better. This is the one here. Let me see. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm in the wrong oil. That's UK's oil. All right. That one here. Okay. And clearly, and let me move my big head out the way over here. Clearly you can see up substantially on oil. And this is that trade that I've been talking to you guys about on multiple videos, and it's still running in the same direction, because remember on multiple videos I showed you guys about how oil runs off the daily. With our system, you can easily spot it. Easy, especially off the daily. I don't trade the daily all the time, but if you, hey, whatever time frame works that pays out is the one that works. So you can clearly see triple arrows came in right here. Easy drop. Triple arrows reverse. Easy. Triple arrows came in. You can see our entry right here. Real clean up here. And it's still dropping. And as you can see, if you go back to prior videos, you can see where we initially discussed this one. And now you can still see. I think it was the video on IRAs and 401ks or whatever. But this is one that I told you guys about. If you were trading in your own 401k or IRA, you can see how easy it is to do these kind of trades. But bottom line is you do have to have the system to recognize it. But just want to show you a continuation is still dropping. Here's the neat trick, and I told you guys this, that what you can do, which is make you feel real knowledgeable, okay, is you can predict gas prices when they're going to go up and when they're going to go down. And so a neat little magic trick is to if you had our system, you can always know when gas prices are going to go up, and you'll always know when they're going to go down. Okay, right here. You can always spot it clean and clear. You don't need the talking heads on TV, the MSNBCs and all these other people talking about these reports that they got of oil fluctuations and oil that. You can easily see it yourself. It's not that complicated. You just come right in, look at your charts, and you can see this, and you can place your trade and leave that thing completely alone to run as long as it wants to in the same direction until you get a reversal setup on the triple arrows. Then you get out of this trade, get back into a buy, which I'll do once it's ready, buy, and then I'll take oil back up. So therefore this trade is paying for our gas. You get what I'm saying? Instead of the gas people, I'm me paying for gas, they're actually paying me on the back end because I know how to trade and make money off of them in return. So it's a nice refund policy. Either way it goes, I just want to give you guys a Friday update. And somebody asked me to mention this on certain pairs, and this is just for those who are just trading. Okay, just general knowledge. If you're a trader out there and you're having trouble with the USD, the JPY, or the GBP pairs, I posted in my group to make sure, hey, if you're going to trade certain things that you see, don't be too dependent on them, because those countries are having issues right now. And anytime you're trading in the currency market, yeah, you can buy the best indicators, you can buy the best trading system, this and that. But like I told them, the problem with people is that they keep buying systems, but they don't buy the knowledge. And a lot of people are selling systems, but they have zero knowledge about how it's going to work in the real market world. And so with us, what we decided to do is we decided that it's myself. I do training classes on Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursday mornings, live trade sessions. And we have a lot of people in that trading room during that time when we're looking at analyzing charts together as a family on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday mornings. And then we also have another trainer. Her name is Miss Jenny, a fabulous trainer. She trains on Tuesdays and Wednesday nights. So not only are you getting a trading system, but in addition to the trading system, you're also getting taught market knowledge, which is the biggest thing I see missing in this Forex market. Is people are constantly buying indicators, spending tons of money on indicators and systems, but nobody's teaching you what to look for in these markets and how to apply those indicators. Because no matter what you buy, it's certain times where they will work perfectly, and certain times you just need to stay away from certain pairs, because no matter what system, no matter how many trend lines, Fibonacci's, whatever you use to do your charts, it may go against you regardless. Why? Because it's not about your indicators and your systems and this and that. It's about understanding what's going on in that country. You're literally trading entire countries' economies. Okay. The moment you place a trade, you're entering into an entire country's economy. And if you don't know what's going on with that country, that is the reason why you've been going through years and years and years of frustration, like I did, where nobody taught me this stuff. I'm just thinking, okay, take every setup I see. And then nobody taught me, hey, it's not wise to do that. For an example, the GBP, okay, they had tons of setups, but they're false moves because why? The Brexit situation is unresolved, and there's a lot of chaos going on over there politically. You also have the USD and the JPY and the Swiss that's acting kind of funny. Why? Because of the trade deal with the US and Japan. I'm sorry, with US and China, which affects the Asian market as well. So you have to know what's affecting these situations so that if you win, and like I teach my team, if you win or lose a trade, doesn't really matter. That's not the biggest thing. The biggest problem with most people is that it's not about whether I won or lost a trade, but most traders don't even know why. They don't even know why. And they thought it was because of just an indicator, but they didn't know what was going on with that country. So when you apply knowing what's going on with that country's economy or currency, and you match that up with a trading system, your ability to win trades, it skyrockets back up, because now I'll know, okay, focus on these currency pairs, but stay away from these, because it's not about an indicator. It's not about a trading system. It's about understanding what's going on in that market, in that currency, in that country. Okay. If it's complete chaos, you can't expect stability in that currency. Does that make sense? So whether you join us or not, that little tidbit right there should help a lot of you guys with whatever you're currently doing to understand, oh, now it makes sense why I was constantly trading the GBPs and it wasn't working out. Or I was trading the JPYs and it wasn't working out, which the JPY is very strong right now. Now you understand why, because of that trade deal situation. So knowing these things, these little small nuggets can make a big difference in your trading, regardless of whether you join us or not. Now, if you do want to trade with us, all you have to do is go to super easy, 2 letters, super easy forex.com. Okay. And then you can just sign right up. And here's the cool part. Once you sign up, you can get started today. What you can do, as soon as you sign up, you just log right back in with the username and password that you created, and you can go ahead through the 4 easy steps. We have 4 easy steps, and they have video tutorials, so you're not going to get lost and try to figure things out. Just go through the 4 easy steps, and then you'll be prepared for the next trading week. Also, there's a strategy guide in there. When you download the indicators, there's a strategy guide in there, and it has plenty of examples on there. And in addition to that, it also have our live trade room session, so you'll know when to join. Okay. All right. You guys have a great weekend. I am out of here. I'm going to go chill with my wife and have some quiet time and get away from the charts, because there's nothing more. When you trade like this, listen, you can enter some of these trades and leave them for days. One more thing. A lot of people who sign up or who are considering signing up, you have jobs, can't be in front of your charts and this and that. As you can see, this trade was entered, in April? And around April or so. And now we're still at the end of May, and it's still running in profit. So I'll show you how to do that, because we have 3 core strategies, and then we have a bonus strategy, which is a mobile 10 pip strategy, which you can trade from your phone. But we also have the 3 core strategies. Okay, so 2 of our strategies, in total we have 4 simple strategies. 2 of them are for those who would like to trade short-term scalpers and mid-scalpers. And then we have 2 for people who can't be around your computer a lot, and so therefore you are a long-term swing trader. We have strategies for both, and either way it goes, you can make money in this market. Okay, all right, and as you can see, it's still moving. Okay, and this is one that I recorded a while back. So as you can see, listen, I've been in this one for a long time, and there's no rush, because hey, it's making me money every single week. So why get out of it? You get what I'm saying? All right. So have a good weekend, and I'll see you guys on the other side inside the family if you choose to join the Super Easy Forex family. All right. Bye.